And now the requirements of this standard. First clause, which is the scope of this standard. Why do you want to apply all requirements of this standard in your organization? Because you want to provide product or service that meet customer and legal requirements, and also you want to enhance customer satisfaction. So if you apply the requirements of this standard, you will be able to do that, because scope of this standard is to demonstrate its ability to consistently provide product or service that meet customer and legal requirements, and also to enhance customer satisfaction through effective application of the quality management system. And you should know that requirements of this standard are generic. Generic or universal means it can be applied to any organization with any size or with any type. Whatever was your product or service, you can apply requirements of this standard and get the certificate of 9001. Also, you should know what are the legal requirements. Statutory and regulatory requirements can be expressed as a legal requirements, because statutory, which is established by law, and regulatory requirements established by government or organization or any company. And then we have clause number 2, normative reference. What are the reference used for this standard? You will find only ISO 9000 2015 edition, which is Quality Management System Fundamentals and Vocabulary, which contain all definitions related to this standard. And clause number 3, terms and definition, there is no definition mentioned, but they said that all definitions you can get from ISO 9000 2015 edition. And after that, for each clause I will explain. I will keep some definitions and I will explain all of them. And then we have clause number 4, which is very important because this is new applied to this edition. Context of the organization. First point, understanding the organization. You should understand your organization. What are the strength points of the organization and what are the weakness points of the organization, and its context. What are the factors that may affect the organization's approach to develop and achieve their objectives? For each organization, they have several objectives and they want to achieve. So, definition of the context of the organization, as in ISO 9000 2015 edition, is the combination of internal and external factors, internal and external issues that can have an effect on the organization's approach to develop and achieve its objectives. So the organization shall determine all factors, all issues, whether external or internal issues that may affect their approaches to achieve their objectives, and try to eliminate or reduce these issues. These issues may be positive or negative. If it's positive, so this is like opportunity, and that will be used to improve their objectives or to achieve their objectives. And negative, like risk, and that should be eliminated or reduced to achieve also their objectives. So the organization shall determine external and internal issues that are relevant to its purpose and its strategic direction, and that affect its ability. These issues will affect the ability to achieve the intended results of its quality management system, so they should handle or deal with these issues, whether eliminate or use as an opportunity. And also after that, after they will determine, they may have new issues, so shall monitor and review, make review also of information about the external and internal issues. If they have new opportunities or risk, they shall deal with that. And to simplify this, the organization shall determine external and internal issues related to the organization to prevent any risk that may affect the quality of their products or their output, and use any opportunity that may improve their product. And these issues, as mentioned in note 1, these issues could be positive or negative. Positive, it will be opportunity for improvement, and the negative as a risk that will affect the quality of their products. And after that, they should, during the year or after that, they should monitor to find out if there is any new issues, whether external or internal, that may affect their quality of the quality of their products. And if they did this, they will increase the effectiveness of quality management system and increase or improve the quality of their products and achieve their objectives. And note 2 and note 3, understanding the external context that may affect the organization's approach to develop and achieve their objectives can be facilitated by considering issues arising from legal issues, technological change, competitive market, cultural, social, and economic environment, whether international, national, regional, or local. And in note 3, also internal context can be facilitated by considering the issues arising from values inside the organization itself, culture inside the organization, knowledge also, and this is very important, that added to this edition, and I will explain after that, performance of the organization. And the most important point in this lecture, how to apply this clause. There is no requirement of the standard to have a specific document for this clause, relating to this clause, but it's very important. It's better to record all external and internal issues to be reviewed. Also after that, you will have internal and external issues in a specific form, and this form can be called risk register form or internal and external checklist. Inside this form, you will record the risk, grade of risk, and how to eliminate or reduce this risk, and the opportunity, and how to use this opportunity to improve your work and your product, the quality of your product. And I'll keep also a specific form related to this clause in the resources you can download. And after that, during the year, you shall review, monitor and review whether if you have any new external or internal issues, and at the end of the year you have management review. During this, you have to discuss if there is any new issues also that may affect the organization's approach to develop and achieve their objectives, and record this also in this form, and try to eliminate or use if it's opportunity. That was the end of our lecture for today. In the next lecture, inshallah, I will explain whatever left in this clause. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.